they ask you to sketch the graph. Now this all you have to do is let y equal to 0. So 0, okay, working first. 0 equals to 3 minus x and 2 plus x. What the pixel missing? Cannot write 2. Oh dear. Okay, never mind. So you let the whole thing equals to 0, right? You will get 3 minus x equals to 0. So x equals to, let this one equal to 0, right? So x equals to 3. So your first point is at 3. Okay? First point is at 3. Next, 2 plus x equals to 0. Very noisy. 2 plus x equals to 0, so x equals to negative 2. So we have another point, negative 2. So next we need to look for some clues. Okay, we need to look for some clues. Is this a happy curve or unhappy curve? Okay, U shape or N shape? Ricky, what does your gaming friend say? Is it a U shape or N shape? U or N? U or N? U. No, it's an N shape. How do I know? How do I know it's an N shape? There's a negative x here. Okay, because this negative x, when you multiply with the positive x, will give you a negative x squared. So it's a N-shaped curve. Okay. Now then, there's another thing. Where does it cut the y-axis? Where does it cut the y-axis? Okay, how do I find where does it cut the y-axis? Let x equal to 0. So let x equals 0. Now if x equals 0, y equals to 3 times 2. Right? Can you see that? So equals to 6. So it cuts at 6. Here. Okay, next, where is the highest point? Because it's N shape, I know it's N shape, right? So where is the highest point? Where's the midpoint? Or rather, where is the mirror image? The line of symmetry?
The middle.
Yeah, where? At which point? X value what? What's the X value for the... Yep. You see, what is the gap? We draw. What's the gap between here and here? Minus 2 and 3?
1.
No, minus 2 and 3,
The 0.5.
That's all. Minus 2 and 3. 5 5. The gap is 5.
Oh yeah, the gap is 5.
Yeah,
so
here is 2, right? Here is 3, right? 2 plus 3. Don't worry, right? This is called, when you set for a simple thing, you forget one. You always forget the simple things and then you only remember the difficult things. So the gap is 5. Now if I divide it by 5, what do I get? Sorry, you said 0.5 just now, is it? Oh yeah, sorry. So you're correct. I heard wrongly. So when you take 5 divided by 2, is 2.5. So halfway point is at the gap is the gap is 2.5. So here should be 0.5. Okay, so the gap is at 0.5. So if you want to find the maximum point, so maximum point somewhere here, right? Somewhere at the top. What you can do, you can substitute x equals 0.5. Okay, what is your y value when x equals 0.5? Your y equals to hang. Computer hang. Okay, so when you substitute x equal to 0.5, y equals to 2.5 times 2.5. So what is 2.5 times 2.5? 6.25. Okay, so the point is here. Just nice, 6.25. Okay, maximum point over here. So with this information, you can sketch the curve. Right, the maximum point here, cut here, must touch this thing, then come down, also must touch, oopsie, must touch 3. Come down here, gotta touch 3. Right there. You see? Okay, so how many information do you have? You have the maximum point, you have the y-intercept, and you have the x-intercept. That's it. Okay, so this is how you sketch a quadratic curve. This is using the normal factorization way. It's not the complete the square. Alright? Complete the square is part B. Right? That's 2 marks. So you can try the next one.